Today we'll discuss the difference between substantive and procedural law. Now, what is substantive law? Substantive law is law used to mean the written law that states the rights, duties, and liabilities of the citizens and collective bodies. It is a system of rules that regulate the behavior of the citizens of the country. It is generally codified in statutes but can also be found in common law. Substantive law is concerned with the substance of the case. It either helps in suing someone or defending a person from legal proceedings. It is that part of the legal system which differentiates between right and wrong conduct and personifies the idea that committing the crime will lead to penalty or punishment or both. On the other hand, what is procedural law? The procedural law can be defined as the law which governs the way in which court proceedings are undertaken. Simply put, it explains the methods and practices that are followed in the court for a case, that is, the gradual phases of the lawsuit that will take place and the way in which case is managed in the court. So, it describes a series of steps taken in civil, criminal, and administrative cases. Now, what are the differences between procedural law and substantive law? By procedural law, we mean the law that prescribes the methods, procedure, and machinery for the enforcement of rights and obligations. On the other extreme, substantive law alludes to the law that deals with the subject matter of the case and states the rights and obligations of the parties concerned. While procedural law determines the manner in which the case is filed or appeal is made, the substantive law regulates the conduct of the individual or government agency. Procedural law creates the mechanism for the enforcement of law, unlike substantive law, which states the rights and obligations of the citizens. Procedural law applies to both legal and non-legal matters. Conversely, the substantive law cannot be applied to non-legal matters.